All right. So today, we're very excited to have something brand new that we've never done before.
So new.
So, we're going to give everyone a hint by writing down on the board one item that we're hoping we receive today.
I didn't know we were using the board. I don't even know what could possibly be in there.
I don't know either. It's a mystery. Oh my god, what are you writing, a book? 1, 2, 3. I said Korean snacks.
Oh, you were very broad. I said those crackers from that sketchy vending machine in Japan that Charmander went to.
Oh, I hope we don't receive that. Can anyone guess what we received today? Dun 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 dun! We received a Munchpak. Munchpak. And just so everyone is fully aware, this is not a sponsored video.
Nope.
So here it is.
It could be if you want to.
Yeah. Please sponsor us. So this is the February 2018 Munchpak. We broke the seal, but we have not seen what's inside yet. So it's a mystery for all of us. We didn't break it. Yeah, I did. I cut it open. To continue, before so rudely interrupted.
Well, I didn't break the seal, so I didn't know we had broken it. I thought the mail people did and took one of our things.
Oh, that was really...
The packaging isn't very discreet. It is 1 pound, 10 ounces.
That Chipotle burrito weighs more.
Is that true?
Alright. This Munchpak was made with love just for you by Nick. Thank you, Nick. It was checked for freshness. That's more than our commissary does.
Mm-hmm. It's true.
And they were tried by Nick.
They were tried by Nick?
They were tried by Nick. He said tried them myself.
He opened their snacks.
No, I don't think he...
That's not cool,
He didn't open...
Back off.
Alright, so first up is... Cheetos Poofs.
It's because the bag, it's Cheetos, but it's hecho de cereal de maíz de grano entero.
I'm glad you speak Spanish.
So it's like, it's in Spanish, but they're still Cheetos, and we said no American snacks.
We were very specific,
This
Nick.
is Cheetos.
Nick,
Cheetos.
We were counting on you. Next. Bon Chance Crisp. It's a sour cream and onion flavored bread crisp. I'm about to eat that right now.
Does that not open and like tell you
No,
stuff
it doesn't.
about,
We are so blind right now. We have no idea what we're looking at.
Alright, so I'm eating all of this by myself. This is a soft croissant with chocolate and peanut butter.
That does not sound fun.
It sounds delicious, and it says 7 days. I don't know why it says 7 days. Maybe it's only good for 7 days, or maybe after you eat it, you die.
So let's see.
It's whistle candy. You put in your mouth and you can whistle through it.
Jess and Jackie on Instagram. Follow us. There you will see us trying these snacks.
A big crunch pepero. I think it's from...
Is it China?
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah, so this is a thing.
I think that's
Is it Greek?
Hebrew?
Hebrew?
Oh boy.
I have no way of knowing what's in. Coated wafers filled with chocolate flavored cream.
That looks disgusting.
They took the inside of a Reese's and then they put strawberry in the middle.
Yeah.
They just kicked chocolate out. They're like, hey, you're not good enough anymore. Get out of here.
You're out of here.
Where's
It's called a mega load peanut butter and strawberry jelly. Couldn't
they
you
have
have done
different
grape?
kinds.
Oh, like
They have ones with like pretzels on top and then
Wait, we
others-
tried those.
Oh, we did. You're right.
American snacks.
Yeah, this is from New York.
We paid extra to not have American snacks. We're fat enough. We don't need more of our own snacks.
All right, here's a 3-bit. Now I gotta check where everything's from because I just blindly assumed, but the back is in some unknown language, so I don't know. This is definitely foreign. To me, it looks like a s'more. I don't understand why they don't have, like, what if I was allergic to coconut? I would have no idea.
I mean, it could be good.
What if I was allergic to coconut, I couldn't eat it.
I'm just saying,
it might be good.
So I have a story. I have a friend who's allergic to coconut, and he loves coconut cream pie so much that he was willing to die for it. Legitimately, he had someone stab him with an EpiPen, and then he started eating coconut cream pie, and then said, "Someone take me to the hospital."
This looks very American. It's made in China. But it could still be American.
It's the assortment Grand Lu or Grand Lux, one of them.
A Joe watermelon fruit roll.
Oh, I do like watermelon.
It's from Brooklyn.
Nick, we were counting on you, Nicholas.
Whatever. Here's the Joe. It looks like this. It's a fruit roll up. It's probably organic or some bull crap.
There's another thing in there.
Oh, and then here's high chews. Delicious high chews.
So yeah, that was our haul. No, it's not worth it. Wah, wah, wah. What was the best thing that you received in this package? 1, 2, 3. Yes, I know you can basically find these in America. So I'm sorry, I'm American at heart. I'm fat.
Mine is bread.
Thank you for...
It goes bad in March.
Checked for freshness. Nick from Arizona.
I mean, yeah, if I eat it in February, it's fine.
Alright, well, thank you for watching us open up the Munchpak for February 2018. We hope you had a lot more fun than we did. We got 11 more of these to go, so who knows, maybe Munchpak will really impress us next time.
If I can go to the store and buy it myself, I don't want it Munchpak.
Well, thank you. Bye.
Yay.